Hey, Eden here with another video. Before we begin, let me remind you and ask you please to subscribe, like, share, send a comment, leave a comment, ask a question. I'd be love. It would be just a joy to respond to you, right? If I can help, whatever project you're doing, I'll try my best to help you out, right? But yeah, I hope you enjoy my videos thus far. Today, just have a tiny little project, just a 2-minute project really. This is the house that I built, yeah, single-handedly. I did the roof, you remember in the last couple of videos I did. We were using a temporary, actually this plank for the few months that I was constructing. We were using this plank from across here to the doorway right there. But we need to get something more permanent now. So what I'm going to do today, because of the rain, the constant rain over the last couple of weeks, I wasn't able to start this video from the beginning, but it just stopped, so I got a little relief. Anyway, so I just excavated a little area. So it's 40 inches wide. I got some old galvanized sheeting that I can use for support to pour concrete on. That's going to remain there. That's not going to come out. It's going to remain there. So it's just some old sheets. Yeah, I supported it underneath the gap, and I'm going to pour concrete right here. It's going to be about 4 inches thick, right up there, and down to the bottom, 41 inches wide. So that's going to be it. Hopefully, the earth here moves quite a bit. This is actually the back of the living room area downstairs, and because of the constant rain, there's another house up there. The dirt, the soil becomes a little bit unstable sometimes. It's a nice mix of stone and dirt here, but I'm able to see if I can get something in permanent. At least it's going to be around for a few years. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to tie some more steel. I get some reinforced wire, BRC wire, put it on top there, and then I'm going to mix some concrete. I'm going to be moving really fast because it's getting dark. It's getting dark and the rain is coming again. So this actually was supposed to continue out here, but the top floor, but a lot of difficulties with doing that, land and the cost and everything. So that's why I have all those rebars sticking out there. But that's a job for another day. So I'm just going to work on this now, get some concrete poured there, and I'm going to be done. I hope you're seeing this because I'm here by myself. So I'm going to do the first 2 buckets. You want to just pull the rebars up a bit so the cement gets underneath, right? And I'm going to repeat that process until here is filled, and that's going to be it. That's what I'll continue doing for the next 10 minutes.